Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're doing something a little bit different. I'm actually going to be trying on some clip-in hair extensions, which, just a disclaimer, I am not a hair extension girly by any means. I've actually never had hair extensions, haven't even dabbled in the clip-in variety, so this is going to be a bit of a learning experience for all of us. Big shout out to Goo Goo Hair Extensions for sending these out, and they do carry these extensions on Amazon. They also have their own website, social media, all of that. So if you want to purchase it straight from the website, there is that option. But yeah, so I'm going to be doing a bit of an unboxing review, see if these are good quality, what I think about them, if they're user-friendly for someone who has no experience in hair extensions. But before we get into all of that, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post. I post new videos every Thursday and Saturday, and yeah. Let's jump into the review. All right, so here is the box from Goo Goo Hair Extensions, and as you can see, it's really cute. It has some of these like rose petals on it, the kind of metallic gold. This is 100% human hair, which is kind of crazy to think about. This is literally human hair, but I think that makes it a little bit better for styling, using hot tools on it, all of that, and just better quality, I'm assuming. So I'll go ahead and open this up. I know it's 100% real hair because it says so on the sticker. I'll be honest, I did kind of peek at these to see the color match on it, and I am so impressed by the color match that I did myself. I was just like scrolling through Amazon, all the different hair colors. They have so many different colors, but I ended up getting one that matches like perfectly to my hair. So love that. All right, I'll go ahead and open the rest of the box. Well, here are the extensions. There's also some other thingies inside of here. So this looks like instructions, an instruction manual, which is helpful for me because I do not know how to use them. Oh, cool. So Goo Goo Hair has a lot of different types of extensions. I saw this on Amazon too. They have tape-in, the clip-in, which I have, the ponytail one, and then also like the one-piece hair extension where it's kind of that like see-through band on the top, and it's kind of like a headband hair extension. But yeah, so they have the catalog and all of their different extensions and how to put them in. So I have the clip-in extensions, which are a little bit easier, I think, to deal with than like tape-in ones. I also did watch like one video of putting in hair extensions. I'm just gonna take all of that knowledge I have and apply it in the best way I know how. This also does come with a little clip. Get that out. This really nice clippy situation. So that's gonna help when I section the hair, hold it up to stay out of the way. So I got that, and then the extensions themselves. So this is a pretty good amount of hair extensions in my opinion. So these are the 120 gram 24-inch extensions, and the color match that I got is caramel blonde balayage, and that honestly matches my hair so well. I'll show you guys. It also, it comes with an extra clip, I guess if one falls off. So we have an extra clip there. And then let me take out the hair, the actual hair. All right, so the hair is nicely packed in a hairnet. A little bit nicer packed when I first peeked at it, but I kind of like put it back away. And so here are, taking off the hairnet, here are the extensions, and these are pretty long boys. So, all right, here they are. So you can see the color actually works really well with my hair. I do like how it's a little bit lighter. It really brings out my highlights in my hair, I feel like. So yeah, we got some lightness. So here is the length of them. They are quite long and they're super soft. There are a bunch of pieces in here, and I will do my best to put them all on my head and kind of show you guys how I am attempting to do hair extensions. So stay tuned for that. So there are different size pieces. So this one looks like the biggest with 4 clips on it. I think I'm gonna put this one at the base of my hair and then like slowly work up from there. But yeah, so that's kind of my method right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just section off my hair and just kind of have this lower part as my first level. of hair. If you can see that. I think you guys can see that. I also brought my own clip. I think that might help as well. I'm just gonna put that there. Okay, so I have the first section sectioned, and now to put the clips in, so I'm going to unsnap all of them and then kind of just throw it around, kind of feel where that line is. So I'm gonna take it and kind of hook them in and then just kind of snap them down. So this is my first layer. Looking pretty good. All right, so I feel like that is pretty secure, not bad. And then next I'm going to do another, okay, so I got 3. I'll go ahead and layer on top of it in a slightly different section. Okay, I'm gonna game plan this. So I think I have another 3 for here. So I think I'm going to do them more like on the sides and then go from there. Instead of just keep stacking them on top of each other in the same spot, I feel like spreading them out is gonna make it look a little bit more even on my head, maybe, in my opinion. So this is already the first piece, and these are long, 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 long. So that's so fun. I love it. So resectioning the hair. All right, so this is my new section. Going to clip it up. It's a little messy, but also my first time, so trying my best. I'm gonna grab one of these guys and put him in kind of near the back, but on the side, if that makes sense. So I'll show you guys again here, and then I'm just gonna kind of hook that in, and then I'm gonna try and do the other side. Okay, so this is the next layer. We're moving up. Look at that length. This is so wild. And it like all feels the same. So crazy. Okay, next pieces. All right, so then my next hair pieces, let's see what we're working with. I have a couple 2 piecers and then 2 1 pieces. So I think these ones I'm gonna put like up in the front, and then the 2s I'm just gonna like layer back again in like the back area, but a little bit more focused up towards the front of my face now is the method I'm gonna take. Okay, so new sectioning. New section. So I think I'm going to do one more section for the double clip pieces and then a last section for the little 1 clip pieces. So I'm not going to go all the way up. I'm going to go up a little bit higher, obviously, than the last one. Okay, so this is my new section. Clipping it up. Here we are. Now I'm going to take, okay, this is a one guy, not you. All right, so I'm going to take this little double and I'm actually gonna put it kind of just under where, like under here. I just want to make sure I don't clip it on like the part that's folded up. But yeah, so I'm gonna put 2 right there and then the other 2 in a similar spot on this side. So I'm clipping them, and honestly these feel like really secure. I know some people like to tease their hair to put these in. I didn't do that, obviously, and I think I'm doing fine. So that is these 2 in. Yeah, they're like pretty evenly spaced. Okay, and now, oh my gosh, my hair just feels so nice and like thick. I have very thin hair, by the way, just naturally, and so this is crazy to feel. All right, so I have 2 pieces left, and let's just keep doing what we're doing. So I'm gonna take this down. I'm going to do one last section, and this one's gonna be pretty like small, just enough for obviously this top hair to always cover where the extensions are so the clips don't show. Here's that last section, and I'm just putting these 2 in the front. So no more in the back. I'm actually gonna use their clip now because this is like a smaller section. Also, I'm just brushing it with my fingers a little bit before I put it in. I'm gonna add this just right here. Not too far forward, not too far back. That feels pretty secure. Also, I don't know why in the camera settings right now, these are looking really red. They're actually like not at all. I don't know what's going on there, but I think it's a good color match in person. So just letting you know. Putting this one kind of in the same spot. All right, and taking my top hair down. Okay, so these are all of the extensions in my head, which is so crazy. Okay, let me take a step back because you can't even see the length of these on here. It's wild. Okay, so here is the length on these. They are like unstyled, so I think I'm gonna go just try and curl all of this so it kind of blends a little bit more together. Right now, I feel like you can tell a little bit. I'm gonna see if that will kind of like bring them all together. Honestly, look at the color. I feel like it all blends so well. So let me go curl these real quick and then we'll see the final product. Okay, so this is it curled, and honestly, why does this look so good? Literally so cute. I'm gonna try and do back. So these are seriously so pretty. Definitely given some length on here. So I kind of wish I did have these for when I was getting married, because a lot of times hairstylists like to use extra extensions to give that volume and a little oomph to your hair. This definitely is giving that. Overall, I think these are really nice quality. Super easy to put in and wear. They're so secure right now, and I really didn't do like all the teasing and all that stuff. The clips on there are just so nice. But yeah, so if you guys want to pick these up for yourselves, check them out. I do have a discount code for you guys to save some money, so I'll put that on the screen, also in the description. Overall, I'm like really impressed with these guys. So Goo Goo Hair extensions, killing the game. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this style video, unboxing, try on, review, be sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below. What else from Amazon would you like me to try out? Some different hair extensions or some of their clothing items. I know Amazon can have a pretty big cult following on some clothing items, so definitely into trying some of those out. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.